I will show you exactly how we helped one of our clients maximize every dollar spent on social ads, through a step-by-step guide, planning, buying, and optimizing to help you do the same, with some budgeting tips. Step 1. Planning your paid media starts with defining your goals and KPIs. What do you want to achieve with your ads? More leads, higher website traffic, increased sales? Once you have clear goals, you can determine the budget that aligns with them. You'll also want to get clear on your audience and where they spend their time. Pro tip: use a buyer persona template to narrow down who you're targeting. The more you understand about your audience, the better your targeting and the less budget waste you'll have. Step 2. Media buying essentials. Now, once you've got a plan, it's time to actually buy the media. This step is about getting your ads in front of the right people at the right time on the right platforms. Different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google serve different purposes. For example, Facebook is great for creating awareness, while Google ads work well for capturing users who are actively searching for a solution. Pro tip: create ad sets for each stage of the buyer journey. Use social ads for top-of-funnel awareness and remarketing ads to nudge people down the funnel. This targeted approach saves the budget and drives better results. Step 3. Media optimization. This is where you refine and adjust your campaigns based on performance. Watch metrics like click-through rate, cost per click, and return on ad spend to understand what's working and what isn't. Ads that perform well, double down. Ads that underperform, tweak or retire them. Pro tip: even small changes like adjusting the ad copy or tweaking your target audience can have a huge impact. Keep a close eye on your metrics to make data-driven decisions that stretch your budget further. Budgeting basics. Finding your sweet spot. When it comes to budgeting, every business is different. For new businesses, I recommend starting with a small budget and scaling up as you learn what works. A general rule of thumb is to start with 5 to 10% of your monthly revenue for paid media. But here's the thing: aim to maximize every dollar, no matter your budget. Example: if you're working with a $500 budget, split it across high-performing channels. Let's say $300 goes to Facebook ads for brand awareness and $200 to Google ads for intent-driven traffic. As you track performance, you'll see which channel gives you the best bang for your buck. Bonus tip: the 70-20-10 budget split. This is a popular budgeting framework to keep things efficient. Start by allocating 70% of your budget to core campaigns that consistently drive results. Then, invest 20% in high-potential strategies that align with your goals but are less proven. Finally, use the last 10% for experimentation. This could be trying new ad formats or exploring emerging platforms. This method keeps your core strategy strong while allowing room to explore without overspending. The goal is steady growth, not overnight success. So, to wrap up, creating a successful paid ad strategy comes down to smart planning, targeted buying, and continuous optimization. With a little effort, you can build a sustainable ad strategy that drives real growth without draining your budget. Thank you.